Menteri ka Sorkar Jela ubadeiru unoyalam ka BJP uba Bah Hek ula tho da ka shithi sha Menteri rangba ka Chhattisgarh Vishnu Diosai ban kerpat tuklar lem ban pelait no mardor ki arngut ki sister ka balang Catholic na Kerala ki bala syak kem ha ka arpusantrik naitung na Durg railway station. Kini ke jing syak kem jong kini ki arngut ki sister ka long halor ka jing mudui ejahar da ka seng niam Hindu ka bajrang dal halor ka jing kenok don keti hakikam khayi briu bat ka jing pen kelan niam jubor. Ha kini ke shithi Bah Hek ula pen pau ka jing sungkhya ka bajur halor kini ke jing syak kem jong kini ki arngut ki sister da ka bakerpat ru ya uni UCM ba un shim ya ki sinjam ban penlong ka jing tok ket halor kini ke kam. Ha ka jing ya keren bat piling baka phone halor ka jing syak kem badang shen jong ki arngut ki sister nga kerpat ya pi bat dia ka office jong pi ban pelait no mardor ya kini ki arngut ki sister ki bala syak kem no na Durg railway station ha ka arpusantrik naitung arhajar arpusan halor ka jing mudui ejahar da ka seng bajrang dal ulatho ha ka shithi. Da ka jing sungkhya ka bajur nga kerpat ya pi bat ya ka office jong pi ban pelait no mardor ya kini ki sister bat ban shim ya ka sinjam ban penlong ka jing tok kit ya ki daw bat ya ki jing ta jong ka kam na markat kum ka jing tip ka jonga bat da ka jingai ka bas kem ba ka balang kam shem la le ya ka nu ka jing pen kelal na yam jubor Henry ka ay ya ka jing syakri ka babahatam ya ka long briu man briu barok ka wei bat nga ay kuble ya ka jing kular ka jong pi ban pelait no ya ki mardor benrap Bah Hek. Habakali Bah Hek ula ong ba u Chief Minister Vishnu Diosai ula kular ha u ba un shim ya barok ki sinjam na kebenta ban pelait no mardor ya kini ki arngut ki sister.
Discussion with the Honorable Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh, Shri Vishnu Diosai. I had requested him and also I've told him that I'm sending a letter to you, sir, for the immediate release of the two Catholic nuns which were arrested on the 25th July 2025 from the Durg railway stations based on a complaint by the Bajrang Dal. So the Honorable Chief Minister, he is very happy and also they told me he will be taking all the positive steps and immediately to release soon to those two nuns. That is assurance given by the Honorable Chief Minister. So today only I am already sending this letter to Honorable Chief Minister as discussed with him to immediate release of these two Catholic nuns. See, they're arrested. What is the issue? I do not be able to tell you anything, but it is my responsibility and duty. I have already written a letter to Honorable Chief Minister. I've also discussed with the have I talked with the Honorable Chief Minister. He had assured me also that we'll be release them very soon. Concerned with the other people, I'm concerned only. I'm a BJP minister and I'm also a human being. So the human being should be given justice. That's all I know. Now, according to the press notes, the press news, they went to the Durg railway station of Chhattisgarh to I don't know for what reason they're going to picked up somebody or to go by themselves or only, but we know only that is which is already there in the news. That is, we have to be first find the fact. We cannot blame anybody like that. Even we are also here, we are running the government with the BJP only. So cannot be blamed like that, no. We are also here with BJP government. So how you will blame me like that? So that is my duty as a BJP MLA and also the national executive member of BJP to raise the voice of the vulnerable society. That's all only.
What is the response from the CM of Chhattisgarh?
He has assured me, the CM has assured me that we will be released soon.